Welcome back everyone. For a while I've been telling you that I'm going to get someone special on our channel to make some special food, and maa ke haath ka khana is always special. So today my favorite, absolute favorite parantha. I mean, I've gone to paranthe wali gali, I've eaten aloo parantha, paneer parantha, pyaz ka parantha, you name it. But my absolute all-time favorite has always been Mooli parantha since as far back as I can remember. I was maybe 5 years old. I ate it the first time, and I know, Mooli say it gets a little bit of smell, but it doesn't matter. I still love Mooli parantha, and this is my mom-in-law, and she makes the best Mooli parantha. So instead of me making it for you, I thought I'll let the expert do it. So over to you.
So thank you, Varun, for introducing me into your kitchen firstly, because this is a very precious place for him. He doesn't like anybody coming into his kitchen. So firstly, I have grated this mooli. So it's you don't have to make it too fine, because if it's very fine, then it becomes mushy and like a paste after you've cooked it. So I'm going to add some salt in this. The salt you have to add quite a bit, because we are going to squeeze out the water from here, and the salt is going to release a whole lot of juices, which I'm not going to throw because they are very precious. They have a lot of minerals and vitamins. So we're going to use that liquid, that water, to knead the flour. So I'll have to put the salt and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes for the juices to release from there. So I'm back after 15 minutes. So we have to squeeze. इसको अब निचोड़ना है बिल्कुल हाथ से, like that. So here is some mustard oil which I have preheated, because mustard oil must always be smoky hot and then cooled before we start putting the ingredients. So here I have the mooli that was squeezed out. Firstly, I will add the ginger to this, and the green chilies. This is just one green chili because I don't want to make it very hot. So here we have the jeera or cumin seeds. So I'll put and here's the hing. So hing and jeera goes in first, and then I'll mix all these masalas. This is red chili powder, this is amchur, that is mango powder, and this is chaat masala, which everybody knows, and this is a little bit of haldi. This is just like quarter teaspoon each. So I'll put all these ingredients here. Now I'm putting a little bit of hing. This hing is very special. It comes from Lucknow. So we stir it for some time till the water also becomes less. I mean, it dries up a little and cooks. Meanwhile, I'm going to start making the dough. So this is 150 ml of the juice that I got from the mooli that I had squeezed out. Okay, and here I have 1 heaped cup of atta, whole wheat atta. Okay, I'll add a little bit of ghee in this, very little, just to give the crispness. If the dough is not soft, then the filling will come out. So we have to make the dough softer than the chapati dough that we make. See how soft it is? Of course, it has to rest for 10-15 minutes for the gluten to be activated, and then it will be easy to handle. Okay, I'll add a little bit of ghee on this just to make it a little smooth. So here is my flour, atta. I used 200 ml of water in total. 150 ml I had of the juices, and I had to add another 50 ml. You can see how soft this is. Okay, I have the green coriander which I had to add, but I had to wait for this to cool. Now it's cool and I can add the coriander. This is the amount of stuffing we need to put in each paratha. So here is the dry flour, and I'll have to pinch out the flour I need. So I use two methods of filling up the paratha. One is the regular one that usually people make. You spread out the edges a little. Just put the stuffing in here. See how now very gently. See how soft it is? Okay, so that's one method. I'll show you the second method of making the paratha. Okay, so what I'm going to do, some people make two separate little balls and then roll it out. Well, I just make one long one and I pinch it from the middle. So I have two circles. This is for the stuffing. Okay, now you just fold it over. And close the edges. Remember to use the balan in this direction, like that. So here's a third way of making it, and I have made one chapati down there, and I put all the mooli, all the radish, and I'm putting the second one on top, like that, and then pressing them down. And rolling it a little bit, not much. So you can try any of the methods you find easier to make. So here is the mooli paranthas which are ready, and I hope you all enjoy it like Varun will enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so now and press the bell button.